Just been finishing a call with the guys in the squad where we analysed oil, and I think it's only fair I put it to the test. Let's roll the intro and we'll get into this. And a warm welcome, one and all. Winky and I are getting all excited. Why? Because we're going Benidorm today. Well, we're getting ready to go today.
For tomorrow.
Yeah, but we're getting ready today.
Yeah.
Holidays start today.
Oh, it starts today then.
Well, yours started the day you got married to me.
Listen to you.
It is, you know. But look at her. Oh, that strippy top one. She's getting all excited. I don't know why she's got that on, because bloody ice on the top of our bloody car. It's freezing, eh?
It's warm in the house though.
It is warm in the house. It is warm in the house. And why is it warm in the house? Because the oil's been burning. But let's see if oil's been burning on the chart. Let's flick this over. Okay, so I'm just going to strip some certain elements off this. And I want to talk through something. So I'm going to take the fib elements out of entry. And then what we're going to do, let me just pull this down. Now, oil gapped a fair bit over the weekend. And there's always the narrative of, oh, there's going to be a gap fill. Well, that narrative was true about 5 years ago. Gaps don't fill pretty much like what they do anymore. So a good trick is to do this. You assume the gap is a candle. So if it gapped down, that means that candle was basically a red candle. So just look at it. So it opened there, or open and close, and you can draw in a little box. Oh shit. Help if I drew the right one in, get a rectangle rather. And draw yourself a little box in there. Right, now what you've got is a structure of a chart, and then you can draw your fibs in, etc. Now, because that was a gap, it was really all the way down to here, so that would be a singular extended candle. Okay, so if I was going to draw an expansion onto this, there's many ways it can be done. You can do it off the gap itself. So you can go, well, there's the gap. And if that's the case, how close is it to fill? Well, there's the 127 lining up with a key level. And there's your 161, which is a key turning point. And sure enough, it stopped dead on it. So that's an expansion on the gap. But what you can also do is this. You can pull that down, and then you can start having a look to see what the narrative is. Well, the narrative here is it's failed to go to the 127. It's struggled on this level. It may well be pushing up a little bit. Okay, go with that. So where's the high point? Well, it's going to be there, that one. So that's what we essentially trying to work towards. Now, take that away. Got key zones of attraction, and I sat and worked out what we were looking to do over the course of the next hour. Now, I've upgraded the slightly. Was it like a 6 pip target earlier on? It's slightly better as it is at the moment. So I've just altered that average target to 8 pips, but it's still telling me it's risky. Not only is it risky, it's a C. So by definition, it's a scalp. Now, the scalp's telling me to buy it. The trade is buy. The no time frames is buy, but the middle bit, which is where I pay a lot of attention to, is indecision. So I'm going to keep this very low key, and I'm going to target no more than that level. Right, it's going red. Are you disappearing off?
I'm going to the chemist.
Chemist, what for?
To get me a prescription.
Oh, okay.
And to post some parcels.
Ah, right, okay. Yes, we're sending t-shirts out. Well done. Okay,
It won't
sweet.
be long, it'll only be 10 minutes.
10 minutes. All right, sweetheart. She does it all the time, you know, boys and girls. She just skulks off.
I did tell you 10 minutes ago.
I wasn't listening 10 minutes ago. I was actually doing something. I was working. Right. So how can I find an entry in amongst this lot? Well, we've got this here, but we're actually pulling against this move. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a fib. Bish, bash, bosh. Got my direction. Should have really been in on this level here. That would have been a better level, but it's 50 here and here. So they're the areas I want to buy. 5, see what's going on. Let me have a quick look at this because it was saying wait, it is kind of pushing down a little bit. I think that's might be a reasonable area to drop a trade in. So we'll do that. We'll set it for, how do you say, 10 pips, just for argument's sake. So let's put that into place so that can be there, just like so. And then all we need to do is pick it up, bang, straight back up. Okay, nice and simple. If I'm going to target one, I'll target the other one as well. There's a trade makeup. That's assuming that it triggers there first. And then I'll work the range up to there. Very simple. Then in the next hour, I'll do it again. And I'll do it again. Now, at the moment it said wait. That's why I've got this out of the way. I'm not going to go to target. I rephrase that. I'm not going to go straight to market, rather. I want the price to come and pick me up and then go in. So what I'll do is I'll just leave this as is. If it triggers in, I'll then put extra orders into this swing point. I've got a protection point here with a swing, and then I'm going to swing down here. Last point of entry be down here, and then that's it. Bish bash bosh, in we go. See if we can make a few pennies. All right, let's play this out. So there you go, Kojak. That was done for you as per what we've just been talking about in the call. I'm being very cautious with it. Didn't want to push the board out too much. And, well, there you go. Just make certain I've got no tickets running. Must get into a habit of going into your orders and switching your tickets off. Because as you've just seen, I forgot to do it. And if that came back and slammed me in when I wasn't expecting it, it could go wrong. And then there you go, 50 quid. So there's 50 quid in a few minutes. And then all I need to do is just reset, look at it again for the next hour, and repeat the process. And if I've got enough money in the bag, just stop. So that was it. Bash, bash, straight into there. And then straight up onto the next level. And that was it. That's all trading is. That's all I do. Day in, day out. Just get in, get out. Get in, get out. And then just bank my money. And away we go. Hope that helps. I'm easy found. If you want to see everything I do drop in the Scruffy Squad. We talk every day. And if you're part of it, you never know. You might even be able to come on holiday with us because we're going Benidorm. Did I say we're going Benidorm? Yeah, we're going Benidorm. I'm looking forward to going Benidorm. I've never been. And I haven't really done a tacky holiday for years, so I'm really looking forward to it. Just a little bit of merriment in the sun. So, happy days. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.